Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'll introduce you to a powerful tool that allows you to send automated bulk messages on Twitter. This tool helps you manage a large number of Twitter accounts. You can easily organize and manage all the content you plan to use on Twitter. It also allows you to create automated workflows to grow and maintain your Twitter accounts. Auto follow on Twitter. Bulk profile editing. Account unlock in case your Twitter accounts get locked. Automatic user data scraping to collect potential customer leads. To use the mass messaging feature, go to the viral marketing section and select send messages. You can choose to send messages to a list of usernames from your followers or following, or a custom username list that you've prepared in advance. Simply paste your username list here. Next, choose the message content you want to send. If you select multiple messages, the software will automatically randomize them during sending. Finally, select the Twitter accounts you want to send from, then click Start. The system will run automatically, you won't need to do anything else. For more information or to register for the software, please contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram, or the registration link provided in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.